How to reactivate Pinterest account. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can reactivate your Pinterest account if you have recently deleted it or deactivated it. For that, you'll have to open your Pinterest application on your mobile device and you will see the login interface here. Enter your email address associated with your Pinterest account. Then click on continue. You can also continue with Google if prompted. Here, enter your password and click on login. Pinterest will send you an email to reactivate your account. Check your email box for this message. Once you receive the email, open it. You will see login button there. Click on the login button to reactivate your Pinterest account. By clicking on login, you will be redirected to the Pinterest account. After successfully logging in, your Pinterest account has been reactivated. Now you can access your boards, pins and other content. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.